In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge two Slack accounts. Whether you're managing separate workspaces or needing to consolidate your work and personal Slack accounts, this guide will help you streamline your experience in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Slack website. If you're unsure of the URL, simply search for Slack in your web browser and it should be one of the first results. Once you're there, you'll need to sign into your main account. Slack offers a convenient Google sign-in option, so click on Sign in with Google if you've connected your account that way. This step ensures that you have access to all the workspaces tied to this primary account. After logging in, you should find yourself on the Slack dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, so let's take a closer look. From the dashboard, look for your profile picture or initials in the top right corner. Clicking here will bring up your profile settings. This is where you can manage everything related to your Slack account. Next up, you'll want to add another workspace, the one you plan on merging. To do this, look for the option that says Add a Workspace. Click on it and a new window will open, guiding you through the process of signing into your second account. You'll need to enter the credentials for this secondary account as instructed. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll have both workspaces accessible from one dashboard. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently toggle between two accounts within the same interface, minimizing the hassle of switching back and forth. It's a handy way to keep everything organized and ensure you never miss an important message, regardless of which workspace it's coming from. Remember, while merging accounts can greatly enhance your productivity, always double check which workspace you're in before sending message updates. Switching between work and personal accounts is just a click away, and you'll get used to managing them simultaneously with ease in no time. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment or check out more resources on Slack's Help Center. Until next time, happy collaborating.